For the banquet hall sound, first thing you want to do is power on the board. It'll take a few seconds to power up. So then the speakers, you turn on just the 3 power switches here, and that's each room. So banquet hall A, B, and C, and the knobs don't do anything. They're just powering the speakers. None of the volumes matter on here. Everything happens inside the board. So the inputs along the walls are labeled A1, A2, and that just corresponds to the channels on here. So if you're selecting a channel, you'll scroll to it, and then you have to click this knob, and now you're able to control the channel. The 3 wireless mics up here, kept in the cabinet to the right, are on channels 14, 15, and 16. So if you were to turn channel 14 up, you have to click it, and then you have your volume control here. The auxiliary input here for a phone is over. You have to scroll to A1, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, A1. And so if you were to control that, you would go to A1, click it, and then you can control the volume of that. And to turn it all off, you turn the speakers off, and then you will go to setup, make sure you're on global, and then shut down, and then you can power it off.